Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add new tags on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you want to go ahead and add more social media tags in this example. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So let's go ahead and click onto a task. And then where it says fields and tags, go ahead and click on the plus icon. And then we're going to go ahead and start typing in a new tag. So as you start to type, it's going to say create tag for Instagram. Click on this and let's go ahead and set this to pink. Now, if you don't have this field option available, you could also click on the three dots on the upper right-hand corner and then click on add tags. So this will allow you to again type in a new tag. So if we type in Pinterest, create tag, then we're going to set the tag color. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to go ahead and add new tags on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.